on the
Or better yet, it's like festival season.
Oh, my feet are cramping!
Right.
Have you seen TikTok at all?
Like, I see the videos from like Instagram, but I don't use it yet.
Download it because you will spend
Listen, my
hours.
niece is obsessed, and she's like, well, first of all, we both love the Lady Gaga music video, obviously.
Yes.
Fucking.
Why do people hate her right now?
Because they're fucking assholes.
Like,
listen, I am so happy that she's back to her sound from, I don't know, my glory days being in college.
Yeah.
Like, I love it.
It's gonna be different.
Yeah. And also, she's obviously like in love again. She's happy.
They want like paparazzi again.
But I think it sounds so good.
Yeah, I
Did
love
you
it.
watch the Katy Perry video?
No.
Where she announces her pregnancy?
I saw it, but I didn't watch it. I was like,
I mean, the song, but the video was like, I mean, visually, she's really pretty.
Hello, Karar.
Hi! Hi!
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? I miss you.
I see you too.
We gotta get together. Wait, are you gonna be here next weekend? I have to go to Chicago Wednesday and Thursday. So I was in Miami a couple weekends ago. I'm going to California in April for work. Just like going all over the place. Trying not to get sick.
Make sure, I was just about to say, the coronas.
Well, you know, I did live in Asia for a year, so Pierce,
You know.
I literally have like face masks from like a pack of like 500. So I'm hoping that they qualify and that I can wear those on the plane.
I've talked to him 20 times ago.
Enjoy your time.
Thanks. Look forward to seeing you again soon, hopefully.
Make sure you wash your motherfucking hands.
I do. Multiple times a day, boo. Don't worry.
Hi. Welcome to the unicorn room. My room looks like a 14-year-old girl. That's okay.
I put it in a bun.
I'm gonna do it to myself now. Make a TikTok.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna review the Bloodlust collection today. Thank you to my
Is this too?
client for sending me all these.
Amaze.
Yeah, that's the gloss.
Holy
and we
shit.
have the lipstick collection.
This is some like serious
Queen
shit.
bitch.
Oh my
How
god,
cute.
I love these colors.
No, it's all about purple. This is a mirror.
That's just a mirror.
Yeah, I'll show you.
It's honestly bigger than any mirror I have in my own home.
It's like a handheld one.
Oh, okay.
I can't
I don't have a full length mirror, like.
Oh, and it's by Jeffree Star, for those of you who live under a rock.
Star. I don't even know how do you even open this?
It is the most luxurious packaging.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know anything about makeup, but
I am
I
deceived.
feel like if Morticia made makeup, this is what it would look like.
This mirror.
Oh my god, I love it.
Queen bitch.
Ooh. Oh, that's cute. I like it.
So I already did Tanda's complexion. We love the mirror, P.S. It would be great for like doing your makeup.
Yeah, that's really good.
And we're gonna do her eyes, lips, and that's it.
Yeah.
With the Jeffree Star collection.
As we slowly
As
sink
we
into this
slowly
mattress.
sink into the memory foam and sip on our screwdrivers.
Our sponsored.
I should have put purple, our sponsored.
Sponsored.
Thank you, Tito's, for sponsoring our drinks. Just kidding, but they should. Tanda's hair's on it, so we're just gonna pull it off.
Shed like a bitch.
I only got one of the glosses. My client ordered it and said, like, all of them were sold out.
I love that top.
So we got Iridescent Throne lip gloss. I wonder if it smells.
What is it?
It does. It smells like cake.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's actually really pretty.
Do you want to take this?
Yeah. And here's the eyeshadow palette in crushed velvet.
I mean, that's so fucking luxurious,
It's
dude.
ridiculous.
I don't know if this has to be censored or not, but that's luxurious as hell. Oh yeah, it's YouTube.
Here's the PAL packaging. How do you open it?
Is it like a pull out? Jeffree, how do you open
Jeffree,
this?
tell us.
Answer in the comments.
Oh, we just
Oh, it just pulls open.
Just kidding, guys. Oh, gotta get this. He even has a thick ass protective layer. Like, that shit's not gonna break in shipping.
You know what? This will come in handy during the coronavirus. You can just like, don't cough on me! Okay, sorry.
Look.
Oh, I love the little, like,
Any
the
hand
pressed
stamps
image.
on?
Yeah, the stamps. That's the word.
So here's the palette, you guys. I don't know if you guys see the little stamps he uses.
You know, purple was my favorite color when I was a kid.
It's my mom's fave.
Debbie and I, kindred spirits.
Oh my god, so I didn't even look up the colors before. I will say, what is this? Oh, there's plastic on here. I was like, this mirror is scratched, but it ain't. Thank you,
This
Jeffree.
shit's brand new. Thanks, client.
New brushes from Makeup by Mario and Sephora collab because they're the best blending eye brushes I've ever used.
Yay. Capricorn, January 17, boo. Also, Michelle Obama's birthday. Queen.
I'll hail the queen. Hail the queen.
That was
Michelle Obama 2020.
We wish.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna dip into Deviant to pack, which is this light lavender color first. Because it's really pretty. Oh my god, and super pigmented.
Wow.
I'm nervous. So we're just gonna...
Do you need to turn?
Oh my god, it's really pretty. I'm just gonna pat this all over the lid because I want this to be the base color. It's lighter in the packaging than it is applying on the eye, but that's okay because the other colors are darker anyway. This color is iconic. I've never seen anything like it.
Oh my god.
Right? So pretty.
What the hell? Like, if this were me and basic, I would literally just throw on mascara and I would just leave the house. That is so crazy. Wow. That's beautiful.
I love it.
And honestly, I feel like I always have a hard time finding, like, really pigmented eyeshadow. I feel like I put so many
Where you have to,
layers
like,
on.
reapplying.
Yeah, keep applying and reapplying. And I've never bought a Jeffree Star product, but I probably will now.
Yeah, his shadows.
Are the best. Up there.
Yeah.
On the Mount
I mean,
Rushmore of makeup.
They are,
Oh,
like-
that's a good question. What's your Mount Rushmore of makeup brands? Like, your top 5.
Oh, that's
a big
hard.
question.
Okay, Tom Ford. But that's like very like natural and like glowy. But
Okay.
I love complexion, so that's why I like
yeah.
his foundations are his foundation stick, his cream blushes when he has them.
Okay.
Love that stuff. His eyeliners too are like super pigmented. It's all creamy and just like butter.
Oh, good. I like that.
Jeffree Star, I love his color choices because you don't see them that often.
Okay, so good color
He has different choices for color.
Amazing pigmentation. I think Rushmore has 4, if you, correct me if I'm wrong, but we'll go top 5.
So definitely Jeffree for shadows.
Okay.
And I would say Pat McGrath.
Oh, yes.
For
lips? Or what?
I do like her lipsticks. But I also love her just creativity that she uses in her palette. They're like, her palettes are kind of natural too looking, but they're like, you get a big ass palette, you're also paying a lot of money for it, but
it lasts.
It lasts
right.
forever and it's just stunning. How many is that? 3?
That's 3. You get 2 more.
Oh shit.
I know, pressure's on.
Charlotte Tilbury.
Ooh, I don't even know who that is, but again, I'm basic, so.
She's amazing. She's British.
Obs. I mean,
It's kind
Tilbury.
of like you can have crumpets and tea with that. And 5.
This is the wild card. I want you to be scandalous with this choice, like piss
It
people
is.
off. Okay.
Elf.
Oh, I love Elf. Listen, you need a good drugstore beauty products.
Primers are amazing.
Primers are incredible.
Putty primer I haven't used yet, but I want to.
Listen.
But I just used the primer, the poreless liquid on you.
I have the poreless liquid. I have the putty that you're referencing. Listen, again, basic 31-year-old woman here who does like very simple makeup every day. Fucking Elf is my go-to. When I'm like in a pinch, especially, or if I'm at Target, like I can't help but pick it up. It's so good. I love that. What a good.
Yes,
let us know your Mount Rushmore or your top 5 in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.
And we will. Okay, this is it blended, just the base coat.
I don't even know 5 brands to give you a top 5. Sorry, guys.
Oh, so pretty. Look at that.
And
Go
like,
closer. Go closer.
Look at this.
Yes, that is deviant.
I mean, and like the front of my lid towards like my crease, like how it is already gradual and you haven't even like,
right. It's so
amazing.
Pretty. So I'm gonna use the same packing brush because we're going darker and I don't need to use 6 different brushes. That's just me. I don't know if that's a bad thing in the makeup world, but if I'm going light to dark, I'm not gonna, and it's in the same color range, I'm not gonna change.
Can I ask you more makeup questions as someone who's not very well-versed or responsible with my makeup choices? How often should I be cleaning my brushes?
If I have a lot of clients, I will clean them probably like once or twice a week. That's a makeup artist.
Okay, what about me?
So I would say do it once a week. Like every Sunday. Every Sunday, clean your fucking brushes. But in the meantime, in between,
I did just buy one of those brush pads. You know what I'm talking
those
about?
are amazing.
Well, it's been months. No wonder I
dipping
broke
into
out.
Scandal water next. Also, in the meantime, you can just get a brush cleaner that's a spray, like I have over here. It's like oil based, and it just gets the colors off.
Okay.
So
you don't have like that trace, like
especially
pigment.
if you're using different colors each day. It just helps.
Okay.
This is a beautiful smoky color.
Now, do you have like, I know we're talking makeup, but do you have like a favorite skincare brand or like, you know, like face wash or moisturizer or serum?
My favorite face wash that I've used, some people are going to probably be like, oh. I like Checks and Balances from Origins.
Okay.
Because I have a really oily face and I feel like it just balances my fucking face.
Yeah.
And it's minty and it foams, just need a little bit and it foams a lot.
Ooh. I just ordered myself, and I've been using it for a couple weeks. I don't like to change it up too much because I don't, you know, don't want to break out or anything.
Right.
But I have a good combination skin. I have eczema on my nose, but I get an oily forehead, especially in chin. I just started using that Glossier, sorry, like jelly cleanser.
Do you like it, or is that weird?
It's weird because I'm just not used to the fact that it doesn't foam. So, I mean, when you put it in your palm to wash your face, like, you can imagine what that looks like, and it's a little weird, but I do feel, like, very fresh and clean when I use it, and then I followed up with their serum. I don't know what it's called. I just know that it has, I think it's, like, what, hyaluronic acid or something like that. Yeah, so yeah, and especially for like the dry patches on my face for my eczema, if I have like a breakout or a flare up, it's nice. And I do feel like a little more, my skin's a little more balanced, but that could just be wishful thinking.
I like Lancome skincare too, but
yeah,
I got all of it for free. So
you did get me a nice
the mask
for my birthday this year, and I love that. I joked to Pierce that it says stem cells, which is just rose, but I'm like, oh, these are babies. Sorry if you're sensitive. Okay, let's show the pose. I mean, okay. I mean, just, I don't know how good this is, but I mean, God, I love that. That is so fucking pretty.
I don't know, I might do this as a smoke.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Instead of the red.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to Dungeon next. It's like a smoky purple color, I'm assuming, with the red undertone, it looks like. And we're gonna smoke it out and then add one of these shimmers on top. And then we'll line you. And lashes. And I'll do lip first though.
You lightened it. And Johnny gave the best toast ever. I laughed, I cried.
And did a shot.
I did a shot from the bottle of 110 vodka that we used to drink in college. I mean, it literally hit every freaking note. If you're ever looking for a best man at your wedding.
I take Venmo and Cash App.
And look how hot he is. I mean, he photographs really well.
I mean that there's not, I don't even see fallout.
I know.
Which is crazy, because these are pigments.
Right. So this would be like one of the top eyeshadows that I could purchase for myself.
I would say the Bloodlust palette, if it's not sold out and restocked. Yes.
Is this what this is?
Yeah.
Bloodlust. Oh my god, do you have a theme song? We'll write one.
Close. I'm just going to add a little bit of the dark to the crease.
Closer.
Closer. Yes. Look at that contour with Tom Ford bronzer.
Hey, hey.
Okay.
Listen, when you've been friends for as long as we have.
Okay. Okay. So these are some of the shimmers, you guys. I can't tell if you can see because I'm like so fucking blind. They're like really nice. Super, super iridescent and gorge.
That's amazing. Oh my god.
That could be like inner corn. Okay. I'm using my fingers.
Listen, if you're gonna be a unicorn for Halloween, this is the fucking makeup palette you need. Yeah, this is the makeup artist and the palette that you need.
Okay. I only say that, you guys. Close your eyes.
Oh, sorry.
Because...
I mean, festival-wise, obviously, Cleveland's an amazing city.
So good. It's my favorite.
They filmed The Bachelor here.
Their faces were so good.
I'm so
They're like, what the fuck?
You're going to Cleveland.
They're like, okay. I want to look at this bleeding heart color.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Good. Like, look at the pigmentation, you guys. Okay. He's amazing.
Okay. And here we are.
Oh, this color is beautiful. Come up close, Christina.
Christina.
So this is Tanda's eyes. We've added Tom Ford Dominator liner pen. We added Scandal Water underneath her lashes. And then her highlight in the inner corner needed a more pop than the beauty sleep, so we added Wet Jewel and a few individual lashes and Tom Ford's mascara.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a lip now. Tanda picked out Berries on Ice.
Ooh, it was a hard choice, by the way. There were a lot of good.
These are dark colors too. They're gonna be so difficult. Okay, let me get that cheek. And then this one. Running out.
Smells so good.
This is $140 from Lancome, but it's the best face spray ever. Okay.
And look at that.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yes.
Hey.
And thank you guys for coming to Unicorn Manor. I am your host. And maybe I'll be doing a giveaway with some of the products.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Jeffree.
Jeffree, you nailed it, bitch.
Nailed it. Look at this
Can't wait
look.
for
I'm ready to
April.
go take on the world, aka go home and see my husband.
Queen bitch.
Oh my
has
god.
arrived.
Okay, it is dramatic. It's definitely the lip now that I see it in the mirror.
Yeah. It's a little... Guys, love you. Mean it.